Hey friends, if you wish to fix result code missing data error on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to simply restart the browser. For example, if you're facing issues on Microsoft Edge, simply close it and then open it again. The next solution will be to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select Help and Feedback and select About Microsoft Edge. It will check for updates and update it to the latest version. It's the same for Chrome, both are Chromium based browsers. The next solution is to clear the browser and cache. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select History. Click on the bin symbol here, change the time range to all time and select Clear now. The next solution is to disable extensions. Okay, so click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions, disable the first extension if it helps, then remove it permanently. The last solution is to reset the browser, and how will you do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Go to the settings page, restore settings to the default value and reset it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.